In this video, I'll show you register another fingerprint lock on your Android phone. Follow along and you will have everything set up in just a couple of minutes with confidence. Let's get started. First of all, grab your phone, then open the settings page. Once you are in the main settings, scroll down a little. Look for the lock screen and AOD option. Once you found them, tap to open it. After that, look at the top right corner. Here you can find the screen lock and biometrics option. Tap on it, then verify to enter your current phone screen password. Now open the page. Here you can tap on the fingerprint option. Right now your fingerprint was currently added. If you decide to add it or register another fingerprint, simply tap on add fingerprint button. After that, tap on register. Then press your another finger inside the circle, lift it when the circle is fully highlighted, then press again. Make sure you can press again, continue, not be complete the 100%. Once your phone has complete 100% registered your another fingerprint, tap on done and automatically added another fingerprint lock on your phone. To test it work, simply lock your phone, then try to unlock the second fingerprint if you want to recently add it, and this time it worked. And that's it, how you can easily done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Also share this video with your friend.